Some say that your only competition should be yourself. I say let the other brands in your category serve as a benchmark.
Unless you've created a brand new product category or classification, you have competition. I'm often perplexed when food manufacturers are posed with the question, "Who's your competition?" And they answer, "I don't have any." That answer may appear to be self-assured and confident. However, it can be viewed as short-sighted and naive. If you have no competition, particularly in the CPG space, then you in essence have 100% market share. And that's not accurate. Understanding your competitive landscape gives you an advantage by allowing you to learn from your competitors' successes, consumer receptivity to innovation and pricing, observe consumer sentiment and conversations, learn from their gaffes and blunders, as well as be able to differentiate yourself with authenticity and impact. I mentioned market share earlier, and this is clearly stating the obvious, but if you're pre-launch, you have 0%. However, the other brands in your category have some percentage of market share, even if minuscule. That includes smaller independent brands with limited distribution. Market share is always expressed as a percentage and is typically evaluated by sales revenue or units sold. The basic formula for calculating market share is a brand's sales revenue divided by the total market sales revenue of the category. In this example, we see that Priscilla's chocolate-covered pretzels had an annual revenue of $17,863,925. The total category revenue for chocolate-covered salty snacks is $297,158,221. If you divide Priscilla's revenue by the total category revenue, you'll see that it's 6%, which means Priscilla has a 6% market share. Finding the market share of select competitors can be achieved if you're willing to do a little investigative work. First things first, you'll need to uncover the annual sales revenue for the entire category that you're in. This can often be found by searching for year-end review articles, typically published in late Q1 or early Q2 of the following year. Additionally, many valuable category revenue discoveries can be made by digging around the websites of research and data analytic firms, grocery associations, food category associations, and food industry media. Obtaining the annual sales revenue for large publicly traded competitors in your category is typically as easy as viewing their investor documents, like their annual report, which can usually be found on their websites. Another factor in assessing the competition is evaluating their product assortment. Assortment is the variety of products that a company produces. This includes flavor and packaging. A simple visit to your competition's website will provide you with their current assortment. Also, by monitoring them on trade media, you'll likely uncover planned product launches before they hit the store shelves. In studying your competition, you'll also need to evaluate their points of distribution. Are they local, regional, or national? Are they only sold in convenience stores? Or can you find them in traditional grocery and drugstores as well? The easiest way to find this information is if they have a store locator feature on their website. If not, the old-fashioned way never hurts, and that's conducting your own audit by visiting stores. In a previous video, I discussed positioning and why it's crucial to differentiate your brand in the minds of consumers. It's also important to know how your competition positions itself. It's good to observe how those brands maintain and even defend their position as category competition increases. Remember, positioning isn't about touting product features and benefits. It's about values and experiences. When you peruse grocery aisles or scroll on e-commerce sites, pay close attention to how much your competition is being sold to consumers. If the item is not on sale, what you see is the standard retail price. Based on my experience, grocery stores aim for a margin of about 40%. Assessing the total cost to produce your product, knowing your competition's average retail price, and understanding typical grocery margins, you're able to plan more effectively in order to compete.
Which brands are the leaders in your category? Leave me a comment below. I want to hear from you. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Clams, Bread, and Cheddar. And also hit that notification bell so you'll always be in the know. Until next time, bye-bye.